Hi everybody, my name is Allan. I'm here at Hydra Hair Salon and Pembroke Pines. We're in the corner of 184 and Pines Boulevard. I have
Janine.
Janine with me, and we're doing this video to teach you how to do a quick hairstyle if you don't have time to run to the salon and have your hairstyle with professionals. So how to do it yourself video for a quick hairstyle. All right, so this is good for, ideally this is good for medium length and longer. So if you have straight, lifeless hair and you want some, like wave and curls, this is the perfect video for you. Right, Janine?
Right.
And what are the materials we needed?
So when you're doing your curls yourself, make sure to have clips around. And then your
clips.
curling irons. We have 3 different choices here with us today, but we're going to describe the use for each. This one's a bigger barrel. It's a 2-inch barrel. It'll give you looser curls. It's good for long hair when you just want some very loose, wavy curls. And then we have a 1-inch barrel, which is good for medium to also long hair too if you'd like. It will give you a tighter curl than the 2-inch barrel. And then we have a curling wand here, which is a small curling wand, and it'll give you tighter curls. And for products, we are using some dry shampoo. I have second day hair right now, so if you also are working with that, make sure to use some dry shampoo to give you volume and also take some of the oil out.
Yes, and additional to this one, Moroccan Oil has 2 different dry shampoo. There's the light dry shampoo and also a dark tones. So we're using a dark tones because her natural is dark hair, so this is a perfect fit for her hair type. But also for blonde hair, Moroccan Oil made a lighter dry shampoo for lighter hair. All right, and then
we're using a medium hold hairspray. Instead of an extra hold hard one, we like to be able to still run your fingers through it and still give a nice hold to it. And then my personal favorite, the Techni Art Next Day Hair Dry Texture Spray.
Okay. So. That's good. So all the materials is set, it's ready. So
so before we start, I'm just gonna apply some dry shampoo to the roots. After you've sprayed the dry shampoo and you're about to curl the hair, I like to put the next day hair and spray it on to help give it a hold if your hair is really slippery. And when you're working, you can just do bigger sections to knock it out quick. So when you're doing curls, always curl it away from your face. If you want more of a mixed look, you can alternate sections, but the front pieces, always curl them away from the face.
all right, so Janine just finished the curls. Now it's all nice. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? So now we're gonna do the last part of the hairstyling, which is we're gonna hold it with the spray. The spray we're using is the medium, so there's some movement in the hair. Okay, let's turn around, Janine. We'll do a nice spray. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my God. That's it. That's all you need to do. There's a little spray And look at that. You are ready to go.
Ready.
Right? Isn't it beautiful? It's a very easy hairstyle. You do it yourself. In 10 minutes, you're done. So again, she uses like, what's this, an inch?
1 inch. Yeah.
1 inch curling iron. She sectioned it 2 parts, up and down, and then part it in 3 sections. It depends on the thickness of your hair, okay? So she sectioned it 3 sections in every part, and then another thing is like curl it away from your face. That's another good tip. So you have a nice framing, like you have a nice bend on around the face. All right, that's it. So again, this is Allan and Janine, and we're here at Hydra Hair Salon in Pembroke Pines, Florida. All right, thank you.